Hi, I am Parag Jobanputra and I am a CEO and co-founder of this company, IIndepro Dynamics Private Limited. It's based out of Rajkot, Gujarat, and we manufacture drone motors at this point of time, which is a very important part of the propulsion system. And we have developed a very small motor which you can see, and even a much smaller motor than this, as well as a motor which can lift a load of 22 kgs, and it is one of the most efficient motor which is used on the fixed wing uh, aircrafts, UAVs. This is completely made in India, uh, right from its design to manufacturing. We have our facility based out of Gujarat. We have already started supplying to some of our Indian customers. Optimus is one of our customer and long-term partner, and we are really thankful for this opportunity given by them to showcase some made in India innovation, which is going to be used in the drones and UAVs designed and manufactured by them for various applications, and we are very grateful. These motors are patented and uh, very performance oriented as well as cost efficient as well. So thank you and look forward for support. Thank you.